I don't think I've ever won an Olympics, ever. This could be my first win.
What is this?
You like that makes you thinner? That gives you an advantage though, it makes you skinnier.
I know, it's way too hot. I'm gonna take it off.
Why are you touching me like that? Don't touch my titty nipple.
Yeah, put a shirt on. There we go.
Beautiful.
Oh yeah.
Just got those thighs. All right, guys, we are very excited to have you here with us today in the Sumo Suit Olympics. Ah! That just wore me out. What's the first round?
It's a race.
Where are we racing?
Outside.
Really?
Yeah.
It's too windy, Daniel. We're gonna blow away.
What are you doing?
The wind was taking me. Wind push power.
It's very windy today. All right, guys, round one is going to be a race. May the best sumo win. Here's the rules. You start behind this line, you go and you touch that gray container, you go all the way back and you have to cross in the threshold of the Braille house. Let's go. Carlos, you call it.
Mark, get set, sumo! This, against the wind, over your Adam's apple, I was like,
Alright, so it was Nigel, Freddie, Aaron, Uzi. You're too big to be.
I got a T-pose, assert my dominance.
Okay, guys, round two is all of Skateboarding Made Simple Volume 3, which is all of the grind and slide tricks, both front side and back side. Not necessarily all, there's a couple missing, but we're going front side and back side board slide, 50-50, 5-0, nose slide, crooked grind, nose grind, and front side tail slide to top it off.
That does sound like way too many.
Let's go!
Volume 3.
For round two, there is a 5-minute time limit.
Start the timer as soon as you touch the ledge. Can
Like
you
my
stop
arms?
T-posing on me, please?
My arms are right here.
Okay, go Nigel!
I can't do it. I gotta get the bad one out of the way first. I can't see anything. That's two of them in one. Dude, I don't like this at all. What do I have left? Oh, that's it? 336.
Yeah, that was good. That was well played. Those are really good tricks. I'm definitely not doing mine that clean or that good or that
Yeah, I gotta do
You know,
it the other way because I had to.
non-cheater.
My turn. You disappeared into the suit when you fell. I didn't know where, like, at all.
From over here, all you could see was a giant butt. This is terrifying.
Oh,
I back 50-50 on the smallest box in here and died. There's no way we're gonna do this.
Are you ready?
No. Don't fear the Reaper! What happened?
What was his time?
207. He is in first.
That was really hard. A lot harder than you would ever
That
imagine.
cookie grind was amazing.
Yeah? The first front 5L, I think it was, the hat went like this. Couldn't see anything.
Uh-oh, it's Uzi's turn. That was terrifying.
Feel that burn, baby. Woo!
You just look like a bowl. You ready, Uzi?
What was I doing? Oh yeah.
I'm tired.
First place.
I've been training.
It's exactly reverse.
All right, guys, so after round 2, we're exactly tied. It was first, second, third, fourth, first, second, third, fourth. Next up, most kickflips in a minute. Mr. Nigel,
No.
go ahead
No.
and show us how many kickflips you could do in a minute.
6. Did it do it? Did I do it? Is that another one? I can't see. Is it still going? I haven't looked. I haven't looked yet. My keys are in my leg! I'm losing air! I'm losing air!
You're done, Nigel. You did a kickflip.
11.
I did 11?
Yeah.
Holy cadoodle. I guess it's easier when I don't look.
Never look at your kickflips again.
Yeah, next time you kick up to 5, just don't even look.
Fetty's next.
I'm gonna predict 10.
I only got 12.
I was gonna say 12.
Yeah.
Wow. It was meant to be.
Yeah. He mentally thought 12 and I said 12.
It's not even a big butt. Like, it's flat, but it's like just bulbous.
Do that again.
Ready? Done? That was exhausting.
Tired just watching that. What was that? 15?
15.
Aaron's in the lead for that one.
Wow.
Not surprising.
I'm tired.
Mr. Kickflip over there.
I hope the next one is not physically demanding.
Alright, Uzi. You ready to kickflip?
I was born ready.
right, you ready?
I'm ready. That's hard. You can't see it.
What is it?
All right, explain the game, Petty.
This is technically like skateboard sumo wrestling.
The final round, on your board.
Like this. You're on a board. The object is to knock it off your board and knock your other player off of their board.
Off the board?
Yeah, or off the ramp. Like that.
Okay, so the first and the third place person right now are gonna go, which is me and Nigel. And then Fetty and Uzi are gonna go, and then the two losers will play each other, and the two winners will play each other, and that will give us first, second, third, and fourth.
Yep. I feel like he's got like super ultra mega man strength.
Petty will be the ref. You're repping this
I'm the
match.
ref. Are you ready?
Yep.
Yeah. Are you ready?
Yeah. Wait, no, but he was on the ground first.
It's a tough one.
down.
Yeah. I need an instant replay. No, you can't touch the ground.
Yeah, as soon as you touch the ground, you're out too.
So we'll redo.
Redo.
Oh no! I'm leaking.
Are you ready?
Yeah, there we go.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
He just said stuff in your ear, and the whole time I was just laughing.
What did I say?
He's just in your ear, like, oh yeah, oh no! I can't contain myself.
All right, Nigel, you refing this one?
I guess. Contestant number 2, are you ready?
C.
Contestant number 4, are you ready?
C.
Beautiful! Uzi won that one.
So it's Uzi versus Aaron.
So it's me versus Nigel.
I was the most scared to play Uzi because he's a cold-blooded, cold-faced killer.
You're up against him next.
This is for third and fourth.
Yeah. Well done, sir.
I didn't want to land on him, but I kind of did. But I think he's all right.
I didn't see, I ran that way, and I turned around, and they were both off.
Well, I don't know what happened. They were both off their boards. Nigel's on his head.
I don't know how to call it.
He just bull ran me. I gotta do it again. Oh, touch the bike! Oh, touch the bike! I can 100% tell you, I need him in the chest. 100%. Picked me up, and as I was coming down, like my knee went in right in front of his stomach.
I don't think I've ever won an Olympics, ever. This could be my first win.
Yeah, Dr. Boy! Yeah.
My board slipped out. I don't know what does that mean. My wheels are so slippery. I just leaned forward. My board went like I didn't turn on the wheels. It just slid backwards like this.
So that was it? That's the end of it, right? How do we tally this?
Oh no, yeah, 30 seconds.
Dude. It's no big deal. It's my first ever win in the Olympics! Gold medal, baby! Yeah!
This is my first.
That was my first ever Olympics win. Yeah, I'm so proud of myself. I want to thank my mom, my dad. I want to thank my dog, Bear. I want to thank my wife, Danny. She's a good inspiration. She's always given it her all and said that I could do it. And said if I could really put my mind into it, I could win someday. And today is that day.
The monster's back.
What Olympics do you guys want to see us make next? Leave it in the comments below. And hashtag notification squad, leave your favorite event in the comments below and we'll pick a winner and we'll send you a prize package. Check out all those videos right there. You'll have an absolute blast watching those. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below. And you, yes you, learn to skateboard. Go to brailleskateboarding.com and get on the map of the world.